Welcome to C-MAX Advanced Building System.
Mr. Bidan,
Yes.
Thank you very much for hosting us here today.
Yes.
Your house looks really beautiful.
Yes.
Now tell me, having worked with C-MAX, how did you see the experience working with C-MAX the whole time during your purchase period?
Yes. My experience is very good and positive. First, they are very professional. Secondly, they produce materials for building that are of very, very high quality. And I'm saying that because I have now used them for this house. They also are able to have such a beautiful rapport with the client. For instance, I could talk to your CEO, talk to the director, and up to down there. That is one area that I found very, very enjoyable. When I mention, I think I haven't said economical. This is the time when people care about the money that they have.
Yeah.
They may not have a lot of money. So the economy of this technology is very, very high. For instance, I spent 900,000 to buy the panels, enough for this house. I've used some to build for my ship, the balance.
Yeah.
And I spent only 900,000.
Yeah, that's beautiful too.
That if I used the conventional way, I would have used enormous amount of money.
Yeah.
And vehicles coming here would have been destroyed this environment.
Yeah.
Going to quarry, bringing stones, and they used 2.5 days to put this up, the panels.
The installation process took 2.5 days.
2.5 days.
Right.
The other one was just the plastering using machine,
Yeah.
which also was very quick.
Yeah.
So there I was able to save like 50% of labor for that phase.
Yeah.
And so I would really give this honest review and evaluation to Kenyans that try C-MAX and you will not feel cheated.
Karibu sana to today's interview. Maybe you can start by introducing who you are.
Asante sana. I'm Wesley Muchile. I'm an engineer at C-MAX Advanced Building Solutions, and I'm here to tell you why you should go the C-MAX way.
Karibu sana. Now, one question that we've been getting about this EPS technology. Why would you encourage one to adopt this EPS over the normal brick and mortar?
Okay, there are a variety of reasons why I'd tell you to go the expanded polystyrene way.
Okay.
Reason number one, EPS is lightweight. When I say it's lightweight, the advantage that comes from it being lightweight is number one, you do not need as many people on site to install it as the normal brick and mortar. Number two, when it is lightweight, when you're doing construction in an area that the soil is not very strong, you don't have hard strata, it will not necessitate you to dig so deep.
Okay.
Again, when it is lightweight, it not require as much reinforcement. So it brings down your cost of chuma reinforcement that you would require for the structure. It brings down the amount of concrete that you require for your structure.
Tell us about this thermal insulation thing.
With EPS, it has thermal insulation, actually thermoacoustic property. It has thermoacoustic properties. So with thermal insulation, say you're in an area that is hot, say Malindi.
Or cold, like here.
Or cold, like where we are. So the temperature that is outside your house is different from the temperature that is inside your house.
True.
So inside will be room temperature,
Yeah.
and you can attest. Like for instance, this house, it's very cold out,
Yeah.
but when you get into the house, it's
Very
warm.
warm.
And when you're in a hot area, when it's hot outside, you don't require as much power to power your AC, because inside, again, it will be insulated.
Yeah.
So it will be not very cool, but room temperature. So it not require so much power to power your AC.
I also hear that it's fireproof.
Yeah,
Is that
it's-
really the case?
Yeah, it's actually fireproof.
How?
So with EPS, when we do like a normal brick and mortar design, it has 60 minutes fire resistance. But with EPS, it has 120 minutes, which is double the time. And how is this advantageous? When you're doing a structure, when you require insurance for the same,
Yeah.
60 minutes fire resistance means the cost of insurance comes down. And then it means you have enough time to evacuate people in case of a fire. You have enough time to get the fire engines to site to calm down the fire.
So I want you to look to that camera and talk to a Kenyan and advise them why they should adapt this technology over others. And also you can give their contacts, you can tell us where to find you and whatnot.
Okay. For a normal Kenya, the reason I'd tell you to adopt the C-MAX advanced building system is number one, it saves you on costs, it saves you on time, and then it is green technology. We are moving towards a world where we really take keenly environmental conservation.
Yeah.
So C-MAX, it's factored in. EPS technology is green technology. So for a normal Kenyan, I'd tell you, once you require to do your structure, whichever place, you can come to our offices. We are located at Clay Works, right next to Kenya Clay Products.
Thika Road.
Thika Road. Yeah, you'll find us there.
Thank you so much. Indeed, you've really empowered us about the EPS.
Okay.
Asante.
So we're saying thank you very much for that honest review of our products. And like you said, we look forward to working with you even more. And also from the your group of friends and all that, we look really forward to work with them also. Yeah,
Wow.
and we're glad that you're one of our valued clients.
Yes, I've seen
And you'll
that.
come back again and again.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very
I
much.
really
Mr.
appreciate
Kudan.
that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right.